Hi everybody, it's Adele and this is Tegan, and today I'm gonna make a video on breastfeeding. The title is 10 tips on succeeding in breastfeeding. This is my son and he is 15 months old and I am still breastfeeding him. You need to be very motivated. You need to accept the fact that your body is gonna change, that your boobs are gonna get way larger. You have to ask yourself, do I really want this? You will need the support of the father. If he thinks that it's too archaic and that he would actually like to give the bottle to the baby, that he does not like that you would breastfeed, that will not work out because you will really need his support. Breastfeeding needs a lot of time to get used to it. So it's going to take 2 to 4 weeks until your baby and yourself got used to each other and that you understand your baby's needs. If you offer the boob to your baby and he doesn't want to, don't worry. You can't force him to breastfeed. Breastfeed on demand. There are some babies that breastfeed more than others. All babies eat at a different pace. Avoid giving them a bottle of formula. Realize when your baby is hungry. You will see that he is hungry if he sticks his tongue out, if he puts his fist in the mouth, if he starts sucking on your shirt, or if he's moving his head towards your boob. Don't wait until he cries because he's gonna get tired and therefore he won't breastfeed as well. Be comfortable. When you're breastfeeding your baby, stay comfortable. The baby must be next to your body. This will avoid for you to get rashes on your nipples. If you're not comfortable giving the boob, if you're not in a good position to give the breast to your baby, this is how you're gonna get some rashes. Trust yourself. You're probably wondering, is my baby eating enough? Well, do you hear your baby swallowing? Does he pee 5 to 6 times a day? The first month, does he poop 2 to 3 times a day? Then your baby is eating normally. After the first month of life, the baby can poop once a day. Some babies after 1 month, they poop every 2, 3, 4, 5 days and it's totally normal. Know that it's very rare the women that don't have enough milk to breastfeed. It only concerns 5% of women. I had a problem with my son when he was born. He was a bit light and he was not gaining a lot of weight the first month. And a lot of people around me were telling me that I should really give him a bottle of formula a day because he was not gaining much weight, because he was spending so much time on the breast. I'm glad I didn't listen to those people who told me that I should stop, that my baby wasn't eating enough, because after 3 months, he was fine. He had gained a lot of weight. He was very chubby. He was above the average. Really, it's not because the first months he's not gaining a lot that the following months he's not gonna gain much. Find a good person to talk to about your breastfeeding questions. Try to talk to a person that has breastfed, that is for breastfeeding. If you only listen to negative points that some of your friends or family members tell you, it's just gonna put you down. It's not gonna make you want to keep breastfeeding. Find a good breastfeeding bra. It's very important that you find a good bra. You need to take care of your breasts, especially the first months. Your body is changing, their hormones, they're working like crazy. And you really need to find a good bra that will support your breast. So when you buy a breastfeeding bra, buy the size that is above your normal size. You're gonna feel engorged because it's gonna be time for your baby to breastfeed. Your boobs are gonna get much bigger. Mainly the first week, I would say, that breasts hurt a lot. When I gave birth, I stayed in the hospital for 5 days. I gave birth in France. And on the second day, my breasts were very, very engorged. That's usually when women feel very engorged. It's the second day after giving birth. Your boobs are basically like bricks. It is so hard and it hurts so much. And also, when I was in hospital, They gave me some clay that I put on my breasts, and it helped so much. The first days I couldn't even wear a bra because my boobs were so painful. So I wore a t-shirt that was very thin, a very comfortable material. So that's an advice that I would give. When you're feeling very engorged, you can try this position. In French, we call it the position of the wolf.